Right now. Look at it. It's really coming down. If you guys don't believe me, then check this out. If you guys still don't believe me, then check this out. See? It's all fucking rain. Look at that. Look at that motherfucking rain. Holy shit, that rain. They said it was supposed to rain tonight anyways. Just look at this. This is fucking ridiculous. Watch all the way on my foot. Look. It's all rain. Okay? Calm down. If you guys still don't believe me, then look up there. So yeah. So calm down. Calm down. That's it for today, guys. Peace out, motherfucks. Peace.